up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transplant your cumin seedling into your garden. It'll be a short, quick video, but I thought, hey, I'm transplanting cumin today, so why don't I show you how to do it? So I started these cumin seedlings in April 4th to be exact, and they are ready to go in my garden. I always start herbs throughout the year and then transplant them when I'm able to in the garden. So here we have got our cumin seedlings, lovely, and they are going to be companion plants for our potatoes. So we are going to get them into our potato bed. They're going to keep away all of the insects that are going to tear up our potatoes, and they're going to bring in all the really good insects that are going to help us all out. So I'm stoked to do it. Let's get started. It is super easy. The first thing you're going to do, I've already got my water in the bottom of the pan. I always put a pan underneath my plants with a bunch of water in it right before I get ready to plant them. I want to draw those roots down to the ground, and if you put water in a pan underneath them, they're going to start pulling down, and that is exactly what I'm looking for here. So I first am going to prepare my space for my seedlings. So let's do that together. So let's set these down. Maybe let's set them over here. Now I'm going to plant this companion plant over here in this open area of my potatoes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potato plants in this bed, and so it's a perfect bed for cumin to fall into. Not too crowded, not too light a space. It'll fill in very nicely. So we're going to plant my entire cumin plant, all my seedlings that I started over there on the back porch. It's going to go right here in this corner. All right. So first, I move my hay out of the way. Move your straw. Find a nice place in your garden bed. You can see my nice dirt underneath there after I've moved my hay out of the way. Let me get you guys closer so you can see what's going on. All right. So I'm moving my hay out of the way. There you go. You can see it better. Now let's hope my camera doesn't fall over. That's a win, right? Okay. So my hay is moved out of the way. Let's get my hoary knife. All right. Then after your hay is moved out of the way, you've got beautiful dirt underneath. You're going to dig a small hole. Scoop your knife in there. And you're just going to push a little bit of that dirt to the side. Push it all to the side. Give yourself a pretty nice, good looking hole in there. And remember to keep your hay out of the way. Now, this is a potato bed. So I've definitely got some good potatoes already growing in there, and I was hoping to get you close enough so you can see that I've got potatoes growing in there. Woo! I planted these potatoes probably about the same time I started the seedlings, actually. So probably about April 4th, these potatoes were also planted. So they are almost ready to get going. Goodness, I'm so sorry. I promise I will get better at this as time goes on. All right, so we've got our herb transplant here. We're gonna squeeze it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze all the way around. That's one of the most important things you can do is squeeze it. And the next most important thing you can do is dump it upside down. So you're going to squeeze, dump upside down. I've caught it. So now I've got all my seedlings over here, right? And the dirt on the back side. So I put it all down right inside. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure everyone's facing straight up before I bury it again. So I'm going to smash the dirt all the way around, smash, 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 but make sure all of my seedlings are still facing straight up. They are. I'm slowly smashing in my dirt. What that does is work out the roots, loosen the roots up. That's what you're doing here. Now, fill the dirt back in around it very gently. Over, around, make sure everyone's still face up. Okay, now, dill. Oh, hi ladybug. Ladybugs everywhere in my garden. Hooray. So cumin is super easy to spread out once you have it in the garden. So that's what we're gonna do next. We are gonna move some pieces to the middle, okay? And we're gonna move other pieces to the corners. So we're kind of gonna spread it out, but you don't do it until you have the dirt poured out of it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little seedlings here. In fact, let me just get you closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to take my seedlings and I'm going to pull them apart. All right, so if I'm looking at my seedlings here, I'm looking at them. I've got some that you can tell their roots are just naturally separated from the other ones. So here's one. We'll lay that one here. Here's another. I can tell those roots are pretty good and separated. We'll put those two there. Here's a few more. Oops, nope, those are a little crooked. Let's try these guys. Good. So here's their roots. Okay, so I've separated them out. So now that I've got these ones, they are going to be the ones I'm going to move to the middle, and they're going to be buried here. Move your hay, because hay can get in the way of the growth. This is actually straw. I keep saying hay. My husband will be cracking up right now. Move the straw. Okay. Now I'm tucking in dirt all around these guys. Okay, all around their roots, tucking them in, nice and tucked. Very firm dirt is what you're looking to put all around them. Okay, very, very firm. All right, they're tucked in now. Let's tuck in the hay. Tuck it in. Underneath it, or my straw, not my hay, right? Underneath it. Make sure everything's sticking out the way it should be. Now, I've got a good looking bunch of cumin in there and my potatoes. That's fantastic. I'm so stoked about it. So, good looking cumin thing that transplanted nicely. That will look great in my bed. Now, let's move on to the other ones, okay? So now I've got my other 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 that need to go in. So I'm going to set them over here. Scooch them over. Okay. Push back my straw. Nice dirt is opened up. The joys of gardening. Welcome to Grandfam Farm. All right. So turn it over again. I'm going to take my hori knife. Be careful, my potatoes. There are potatoes in here, so please be careful. I move it over, and I'm gonna stick them all down inside. Move out the hay, right? Stick them all down inside there. Keep them facing up. That was a tree, not a cumin plant. Okay, so I've got my cumin here that's gonna go down in my dirt. Good. I'm gonna push my dirt, work it in around. As it's going down, I push it in firm, but until it's all the way beside it, don't firm it in yet. Make sure it's in the right spot before you push it down firmly. Move these guys out of the way. Don't want to stunt my herb or my root growth in any way. Okay, now I tuck in my hay. Tuck it in. All around. Keep tucking. Oops. Keep tucking. Okay, that one looks good too. Awesome. Okay, so now I've got one bunch here. Potato. Got some dirt that I need to get out so no plants grow in that. All right, now you've got our last. Okay, the last step is going to be you're going to water these guys in. So I'm going to go start getting my hose to water them in. So it's as easy as that. That didn't take long at all. That's super easy to transplant cumin. It's not bad. Now, the next thing I'm going to do after I water them in, I'm probably going to do this tomorrow and I will film it when I do it, is my neem. It's a super important step. Neem keeps away fungus, predators, bugs that aren't good for your garden. Neem's fantastic. So I'm going to be putting neem on things. I always add neem after I finish transplanting everything. Cumin was my last transplant of the year, so I'm done. Neem is next. So stay tuned. Neem is coming soon. Good luck and good health.